Finally, a good way to stop your phone sliding all over the place while you're driving. Let's check this out. Dave Taylor here, and it's pretty darn surprising how many cars don't actually have a design that lets you have your cell phone easily accessible. Enter things like this. This is the Andobil cup holder phone mount, and it's really slick. But I could sit out here and tell you about it, but it's much more interesting to go inside the car and have a look. So let's do that. There's a couple of components here that you need to know about. The first one is the part that goes into the cup holder. Actually, when you twist it, you can see these little stops come out to give you a nice snug fit. You want to adjust that to be perfect so that you can then move around your phone and make sure that it stays exactly where you want it. Now, there's also this gooseneck, which is pretty flexible. And then, of course, there's this on the top. So let's go ahead and put this in. And I'm in a BMW, so it's a pretty nice car with a pretty nice setup. And that feels pretty snug. Now I can just bend this as I want, maybe over here, put my phone in it. And notice all you have to do is do that. And it's ready to go, and it's not going anywhere. This is a nice, solid, firm connection. And since I know you're curious, I can plug it in and I can charge it. So it does not do wireless charging. It does not have any of those fancy features. It is just a simple phone holder, but this is perfect, particularly since I don't really shift gears very often. So I can adjust this if I want. I can turn it this way. If I'm using a map or something, that might work better. And as you can see, it's pretty darn easy to work with. And on the back, there's a quick release button. So you can see it right here. So this quick release, you put this in, you get your, nice and snug for your phone, and then a push, and your phone's ready to pop right back out again. Really, it's a super simple and straightforward design, and there's a lot to like about it. Now, let me give you some specs on this. So on the foot, it can adjust from anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 inch diameter cups. The gooseneck itself is about 8.5 inches. And they say you can work with anywhere from a 4-inch to a 7-inch cell phone. So that's a lot of difference and a lot of flexibility. Basically, whatever smartphone or cell phone you have, this will work with it. And as you saw, there's space for the charging cable. So all you have to do is put it in, and not only does it have that design where it supports that, but when I take the phone out, I don't have to unplug the cable to be able to do that. So now I can be looking at my phone and saying, why? What am I doing looking at my phone? Let me just adjust it and boom, I'm ready to go. So super easy, super well designed, nice and firm in the cup holder, easy to turn the base to pop it back out when you're ready. So let me jump right back on camera. Pretty well designed, actually, and it works with a lot of different cars. Now, let me tell you just a couple more things about it. Number one, it's made out of anti-scratch PTFE. What's PTFE? You ready? It's polytetrafluoroethylene. It is a particular kind of plastic that's really tough and scratch resistant. So that's what all this external stuff is, and that's great. It's going to look good for a really long time. It's also, all told, from here to the top, if you have it straight, about 11 inches, and then it's about a 3-inch around here. And price-wise, well, let me get to the price. But before I do that, let me ask if you could subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate when you do that. It's just a click or a tap on that little red subscribe button. Easy enough. Okay, this is the Andobil cup holder phone mount, and it's $37.99, but when I checked Amazon, it's actually $29.99 at Amazon.com. That is a no-brainer solution, and this will make all your time in your car way more pleasant. So that's all I got, and I'll hope to catch you in my next video.